In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit your close friends list on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then right here where it says your story, just tap and hold on it until this pop-up comes up, and then just select edit close friends list, and that's where you can edit it. Now I got just one person here, it's Dwayne Johnson actually, and then if you want you can uncheck mark some persons to remove them from your close friends list, or you can hit at clear all to clear the entire list, and in the same way you can check mark some users whom you want to add to that list, or you can hit at select all to add all of them. After that, just don't forget to hit at done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.